my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This video is going to be another collab with Craspire. They sent me some wax stamps to review and share with you. As always, I will link all of their information down below, including links to the products that I will be sharing with you and a coupon code that will give you a discount. So be sure to check those out if any of these products interest or inspire you. This time around, I selected some wax stamps to review, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So most of the ones that I selected, I think all but one, have kind of, I take that back. 3 of the 5 I selected have a witchy vibe or boho vibe to them. And also I chose some shapes that are unique to me. I've not worked with these particular shapes before. So let me share this first one with you. It is rectangular in shape, which is something that's new to me. I don't have anything like this in my stash, and I've not worked with this particular shape before. And I found it absolutely intriguing. And the image itself, it's gorgeous. It is a broom, a crescent moon, some bats, and some stars. You can't really make it out too well there, so I did stamp it. Let me find one that is stamped here. This is what it looks like when it is stamped on wax. Isn't it gorgeous? And I used some gold Gilder's wax paste to just highlight the image itself a little bit so that it pops. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's this one here. Another reason I chose these kind of witchy boho type stamps is because I am working on a few projects. I want to continue to work in my Halloween boho journal. I also want to do a Harry Potter themed chunk journal at some point, so I thought these would be good for that. So that's why I went with this. Here's another style I selected. Again, rectangular shape, and this is Dreamcatcher, but with a crescent moon, a star dangling from the crescent moon, and of course the feathers. Very much a Dreamcatcher vibe going here. And let me show you what that one looks like. Stamped. Here it is, stamped. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Love that one. That might be my favorite one. And judging by the number of projects I have with that, most definitely. Here's another witchy one. This one is a hat, a crescent moon, a broom, and it has some foliage behind it. And this one's an oval or oblong shape, which again, that's a new shape for me. I'm usually working with your traditional circle shaped ones, and let me find that one stamped. Here's that one stamped. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Then the 2 non-witchy I chose are fun nonetheless. This one says Happy Mail. I thought this would be cute just for that, Happy Mail. And I did stamp that one. I don't know if you could see it there, but I did stamp that one. Here it is. It's a nice deep impression. The etches on these wax stamps are really deep. It's really deep impression, so you get a nice impression on the wax. Nice quality as always. I never have a problem with Craspire. This is why I enjoy working with them. They're super easy to work with. Shipping is pretty quick. Prices are reasonable. And then we have this one. This one is a mushroom, kind of a gnome with a mushroom hat He is holding a little flower, or she, right? 2 long braids and some foliage in the background. And I did stamp that one as well. This is what it looked like. A very nice, clean, clear impression. So super excited to be playing with these. I have been trying to figure out different projects that I can make with these. And I will quickly show you what I made, and then in the next video I will share with you how I made it. Let me share with you a couple of things I'm working on that I have been playing around, kind of experimenting with, and so far I'm liking the results, and I think I'm going to do a video where I share a tutorial on how I made this. But using those wax stamps, some wax sticks that I recently purchased from Artisaire, and if you've not seen that video, be sure to check it out. I will link it here, and I will also link it down below. But that particular type of wax from Artisaire, when it dries, is super flexible. It almost has a rubber vibe to it. It's just really cool, and because it isn't that rigid wax that snaps if you try to bend it, you have so many more possibilities with this particular type of wax, such as the ability to punch holes in it. Why do you want to punch holes in your wax seals, Jeannie? Well, because I want to make things like this. Here is that beautiful moon, that Dreamcatcher moon, embellished with some feathers. I used an eyelet, and from the eyelet I have some glass beads dangling. I think this is an absolutely gorgeous embellishment. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I just popped the image with a little bit of Gilder's wax paste. I think this color is a combination of antique gold and black. But isn't that pretty? I think I'm going to do a tutorial on how I made these. So there is the crescent moon, the Dreamcatcher crescent moon. Here's another one with the witchy hat and the crescent moon. Again, I was able to punch a hole, insert an eyelet, and add some glass beads and some feathers in the background, and beautiful. Love that. Finally, I thought maybe I can even make some dangly charms with this particular wax, and absolutely 100% works. Here's a dangly charm I made. More glass beads. Here's that beautiful crescent moon with the bats and the broomstick. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this. I love this so much so that I went out and bought some more feathers. I bought some of these Creatology feathers in black and in white. Super inexpensive. I'm going to experiment some more. I'm thinking of using my color sprays to colorize those feathers. I bought a few more different styles of beads that I'm super excited about and can't wait to start playing with. So for sure, I will be sharing a tutorial with you on how I made these. But in the meantime, if wax stamp is something that interests you, if you are thinking about it, then consider visiting Craspire. Check out their collection. They have a beautiful collection of these beautiful wax stamps. I think I'm going to go buy some more. I love that they sent me these to review, but I will definitely be going back and purchasing some more using my own money, and I'm definitely going to get more of these different shaped ones. I love the size of this. Absolutely love that. I'm going to go look for some more witchy ones. And just some fun. These are so fun, and again, nice quality, heavyweight. Definitely be on the lookout for another video from me sharing a tutorial on how I made these gorgeous embellishments. And if you use wax stamps and wax seals, I would be interested in knowing how do you use them. Again, thank you to Craspire for reaching out to me. And thank you, my friends, for taking the time to watch this video. Again, check the links out down below. And if you do decide you want to shop with Craspire, be sure to use that coupon code. I will say, before you use my coupon code, check the website out and make sure they don't have a better coupon code, because sometimes they have sales going on and those sales are better than using my coupon code. And it's all about saving money, right? So I will catch you all in the next video, my friends. Until next time, bye bye.